scale the sides of mountains, journey across foreign seas, explore foreign lands. In our minds we can imagine, create, be, sing, laugh and play. Dear fellow Toastmasters, we must always be aware that our minds create the world before us. We are the masters of our fates, the creators of our destiny. We carve the pathway that we follow, but only with the use of our mind, the power of thought. We are the conductors of our own symphonies, the lead actors in the play of our own lives. Therefore, what is in here, applied out here, becomes the world around us. Some of the greatest philosophers, inventors, creators, historians have harnessed the power of thought. Through thought and the application of work, they were able to create what others deemed impossible. Think about it. How many times have you been told that you cannot achieve a goal, a dream, or an aspiration you believed? How many times have we been told that no, you cannot do that? And how many times have you proved others wrong because you believed that inside of your mind you could do it? Two stories I will share with you tonight that illustrate that we must always be aware that our minds create our world. Let us journey back to the time of creation, a story of Papatūānuku and Aninui, Sky Father and Earth Mother. Wrapped in a warm embrace, they mothered many children. But it was Tāne Mahuta, the god of the forest, that decided to separate them. From his thoughts and the power of his mind, he pushed, he heaved, and he separated his father and his mother. The power of thought, ladies and gentlemen, was how he was able to accomplish a dream that his brothers and sisters had had for years, and thus human life was able to flourish. Thoughts, ladies and gentlemen, the power of one's mind creates the world before us. Tāne was able to do so for you and I, whether you choose to believe or not. We must always be aware that our minds create our worlds, a philosophy that we must adhere to in one way or another. From myth to invention, now I take you to a time, the 1960s. Segregation, oppression,